So in this video I'll design this cool looking toggle button and see what happens when I change it. It changes the background color. So we will code, style it and make it functioning in order to change the background color. So let's get started.